Today we are going to take you along on one of our favorite community yard sales. This sale happens twice a year and we always look forward to it. We usually find great stuff. Right off the bat, we pick up this pair of Keen men's sneakers. They weren't in the best condition, but for $2 we figured there was still some profit to be had. These pair of Spanx were only $2 and we actually already sold those. And then this next sale here that we're going to was the jackpot for women's athleisure wear. She had some of the cutest athleisure wear, lots of Athleta, Lululemon, some cute Nike pieces. For shoes, so this pair of rainbow shoes, she only wanted $5 for these and we actually already sold those. Her other tennis shoes were super nice, but she was asking $10, which was a little more than we wanted to spend. Definitely more than a fair price if you're picking them up for yourself. But since we were trying to resell, we figured the profit margin wouldn't quite be there where we wanted it to be at. So we did leave the shoes behind. But you can see we sold those rainbow sandals for $30 already. So that was a great pickup. And then I will put up comps for all the other stuff that we picked up. So I won't talk throughout this whole video. I'll let you just enjoy and come along with us, but I might interject here and there a little bit to let you know our thought process, why we picked up certain things or left certain things behind. And let me know if you spot things that we miss, because everyone has different areas of expertise. So I always love to hear what you see that we didn't notice.
Chelsea. Where? You can look in this pile here.
Oh.
It's all athletic.
I'm legit now. Okay, you can do it.
That one's Athleta.
La verdad no. ¿Y si ya no lo llamas y sigue barato? A ver, hombre.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure about this.
What is it? Hobo.
This one.
Okay, I guess we can ask.
We're gonna ask how much it is.
All right, I think we're ready.
Okay.
So,
Let's just do 5 on that.
okay.
She told you
this.
5 on that, so
Yeah.
10.
Okay.
And then we'll put these two together to make another 5. Is that okay? So 15.
Yep, that works. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair of leggings.
Okay, let's just do
And then
20.
I have
For
Okay.
like you're up to 20.
Okay.
How about 50 for all of it?
About 40.
Well, we were at 30.
Oh,
And then we
all
got
right.
to all of this.
Okay. Oh, all right. All right.
Yeah.
That's
That's
totally
fine.
fair. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. I think it was true.
Perfect. Okay. Well, I have no clue, but it's her.
Oh, I guess that's not yours.
Yes, I'm like,
Okay.
you seem like
Thanks.
solid people.
You're not listening to me.
You're right.
It's a skeleton of a tree.
Oh my goodness.
It's a
How much did you have on your?
Like
7 for the little ones and 10 for the big ones.
So 7 each for these ones.
Yeah. Oh, careful, buddy.
It's a skeleton.
Do you know if they all worked last time you had them in, or?
It's been several years since we used them, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, I know.
They worked then, though.
It's a
Gotcha.
skeleton as a rock. And it actually has the milk.
She sure is. She's blazing
Okay.
donuts right now.
Do you guys have Venmo?
Yes. Oh, all right.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It isn't an open box clothes, Mom. No, I have this outfit already. That's why it's closed. Oh, where's the bike? Got it. Okay, $5 you said, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, maybe we could get Bill to buy it.
How much is this basket?
Cool. Thank you.
You might need to help her set them up. Make them look really
Okay.
Got it.
Perfect.
Great.
So that's your soul.
There's the sold.
It's for Daddy. Please use it.
Did I go look over there?
Yeah, did you look through these clothes? These are all your size.
You need the boat.
Here, I'll hold that.
Oh, yeah. The ice cream. This fridge.
Okay.
How much was this one?
$2.
Okay, perfect. So these two, $7.
$7, yep.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Yep.
Only if you can buy something, huh?
That's right.
How much was your camera?
How about $3?
Okay, we can do $3.
Your baby's cute. It's your
Thank
brother.
you. How about on the jacket?
Amy?
I know it's North Face, but it also has a nice little emblem on it.
I know.
$10.
Would you do 5 for it?
Yes, I will.
Okay.
That's what I was going to spit out when you said 10.
Okay, well,
Okay. So are we paying you separate from the other stuff?
if
I
it's
can.
too much of a problem, then we can make it work.
Okay.
I'll even do